and think it down.
Yes.
Oh God, oh God, oh, oh God, oh God, that's what I tell you. This is what we came to do. Giving you the praise. I just want everybody to begin to open their mouth. Just shout to the kingdom. I want all the faith, all the prayer line. If you want to get up and walk, if you want to get up and talk, just open your mouth. I want everybody to walk. Everybody get up and start walking. I want the faith to walk. All of y'all get up and walk. It's time to pray. While we in her today. Oh God, move everything out the way. I want the members to just pray.